Hi, welcome to Pandora's Tarot. This is a reading for the sign of Scorpio for the month of December 2015. Please remember to check your rising sign and your moon sign because that will allow you to understand a little bit better the energies that you might be dealing with. Now, let's start with this reading right here. Scorpio, in the month of December, you're going to be dealing with wanting to end a situation that is unhealthy to you, and I'll explain why with these two cards. You have, first of all, the Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups in the challenge position. This is a card that represents a new beginning that is much more balanced. It's a card that has a strong spirituality connected to it. It's also it can also mean a new relationship, a romantic relationship. But regardless, it's starting on a new path that it's very fulfilling emotionally and spiritually. You know, you feel complete. Now, paired up with the card that comes up next, which is the Devil. And the Devil is a card that symbolizes toxic things and toxic situations and toxic relationships, you know, things that are not in our best interest, addictions, behaviors that are not healthy, that are, you know, that are in that makes us feel like we are trapped, because you have the people here are chained by the neck to the Devil. So, you know, it's not a healthy situation, it's not an easy situation to get out of. But in the month of December, something, you know, I feel like you are fed up, you know, and you just want the situation to end. You want to get out of this. Now, the help that you're going to receive is the Four of Swords. And the Four of Swords is a card that represents taking time out to think about it, to rest, to meditate. It can also be rest related to a health issue. So, you know, if you are going through some sort of addiction, it could be that your addiction takes you, you know, in some kind of health risk. You know, take this with a grain of salt, of course. These are general readings, but you will start to consider your health much more, you know, and how much, even if it's not an addiction, but perhaps you're in a job that is completely stressful and you don't enjoy it, and you start asking, you know, is it worth it to get sick over something that I don't even care about? And can I get out of the situation, you know, is it possible for me to actually get a better job? That kind of situation, you know, it could go in a myriad of different ways, since this is again a general reading. But you will take this time out. The important is to understand this time out as a moment for you to be with yourself, to quiet your mind, because the source is everything related to air, so it's mental things. So quiet your mind, and it's almost like a way for you to just be with yourself and plan a way out of the situation. Okay, now in the things you cannot change, you have the Two of Pentacles. The Two of Pentacles is a card that represents having to juggle many things at once, trying to achieve this balance. Although in the Ace of Cups, this balance is completely organic. Let's put it that way. It comes from within. It just happens. It's natural. It flows like the water, you know. Now, here, even though it's a pentacle card, you also have water. But I don't know if you can see it. The water is turbulent, and the ships are going like this, you know. So you will be juggling many things. Perhaps you will be juggling your emotions, your work life, your personal life, you know. This character has managed to do it, barely, but he is doing it. So you will be able to do that. You won't collapse. But this situation is basically sucking up all the energy out of you, and it's something you need to address. Now, as the outcome card, you have the Knight of Cups. The Knight of Cups is someone who might represent the water signs. So it could be you know, being a Scorpio. It could be someone from the sign of Pisces or the sign of Cancer. I usually see this card as a Pisces. If it represents someone, it could be someone related to the arts, someone who works with words and with feelings, someone related to music. But I see this card, you know, even though as a general thing I see it as a Pisces, in this case I feel like it represents you. Why do I say this? Because it came up with, paired up with the Chariot card. And the Chariot represents success, and it represents movement as well. So I feel like you will take this time out to get out of the situation, and you'll find a way to move forward. You will be successful by the end of the month. Now, if this represents someone else, this is someone who is extending out a hand to you, making an offer, like this cup right here, making an offer that will allow you to move forward successfully. It could be that this is, a card that could represent someone declaring their love to you, or you doing it to someone else. So it could be that you're finally getting out of a toxic relationship, and you start a new one that is much more productive and much more healthy. Okay, it's healthier. So a month with a lot of internal work. It is the month of December for you, Scorpio. But it's a good thing because it's a way to start 2016 with a clean slate. So I hope this is helpful. I want to thank everyone who watches and likes and comments my videos. Thank you for spending your time with me. I wish you Merry Christmas for those of you who celebrate it, and a Happy New Year, and I will see you next year. Take care.